Gumry, just for you, relaxing birthday gift box. This is an elegant gift of love and sincerity. Included in the box is a variety of special me time items. Let's check out the items one by one. The greeting card is beautiful with real dried flowers, and on the inside is blank for your perfect note. I love the bracelet included in this box. It's handmade to bring good luck. It's pretty and perfect sized. Next is an essential flower oil infused soy wax candle. This will be great for relaxing. Who doesn't love fuzzy socks? These are so comfortable. Bath bombs are a treat in my house. These 2 bath bombs will be awesome. In case you need a quick lights out, there's an adjustable silk sleep mask. Also included is a canvas zip-up pouch with a rainbow. It's a perfect size for this silk mask, or nearly anything small. Sometimes you forget you're awesome, so this is your reminder. I love this stainless steel 12-ounce insulated tumbler. Sip your wine straight through the lid. There's a stainless steel straw and a brush to keep it clean. This tumbler is insulated to keep your wine nice and cool. Simply close the lid, expose the straw portion, drop the straw in and enjoy. Pamper anyone you love. This is the Gumry Just For You Relaxing Birthday Gift Box. Thanks for listening and watching my video. If you like what you see, please like this video and subscribe to my channel.